What's up guys, so in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so click on a start menu, type here control panel. So here it is, click on it. Once done, I will select here large icons. Okay, so here we need to go on power options, so click on it. Okay, but better if you select hide performance and click on change plan settings. So here click on these options and here we are, so power options, and we need to do some modifications here. So wireless adapter settings, power saving mode, expand it and click on maximum performance. Well, I mean, there is, if you will click there is options to select, and you need to select maximum performance. So this is best what you need to do here. Okay, so click on it, apply. Okay, so you are about to sign out. So done. Okay, so click on start menu, type device manager, click on it. Here you need to find network adapters, expand it, select your network adapter, so network connections, yeah, right click, properties. Here you need to go to power management and uncheck these options. So click on it, now click on OK. Once again, click on it, update driver, and let's search automatically. So it will search automatically. Okay, so here we are, the best drivers for your device. Okay, let's close it. Now we can also update driver and go to my computer. So let me pick up from available drivers. So here we are, select driver and click on next. So successful update driver, let's close it. And that's it guys. So restart your computer and everything should be fine in this case.